What's up YouTube, welcome back to another YouTube video, and I am stoked for today's video because today is new car day. I don't know whether it's just me who gets excited when they know they're going to buy a new car or they've bought a new car, but honestly I get so happy on new car day, and I've just bought a little project. This car is a 2009 Ford Ka, might be the cheapest Ka in the whole country, especially considering the price I paid for it. Considering the condition of the car and also the mileage on the car. So I'm going to show you what's wrong with the car, what needs to be fixed on the car, then we're going to get it fixed, and I'm going to flip this quick. But the car's in really good condition in terms of bodywork and things like that. One of the things that needs sorting out on this car is, it doesn't need sorting out per se. Aesthetically it's not pleasing for me, so I'm going to fix this before I sell it to the new owner. It is up for sale now, so I'm going to respray those. One thing I didn't see on this car when I bought it, which isn't a massive issue but will need fixing, is this car's been keyed. It's been keyed here. It's hard to see in the camera. I couldn't see it when I bought it, so I didn't really look too hard, but if you look closely, this car has been keyed and someone's done a touch up on that. They've touched this up. That's a deep graze. I could fix this properly so that you didn't have the graze there anymore, but I don't really have time, and this is an 11-year-old car, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But I am still gonna patch this up. That's one thing that needs to be resolved. The window for this car broken into, according to the story I was told by the previous owner of the car. So this was smashed into, and it looks like a new window has been obviously put on the car, and I think it was glued on and then a bit of tape was put on to obviously try and hold it in place, but the glue on there is not very good. I'm not going to remove that tape just now. I'm going to remove that tape when the window guy comes out, because I'm getting that professionally replaced. In the future I will learn how to do that myself, because obviously it's all about saving money, but for the time being that is not a concern of mine. I want to get this car done quickly. I want to get it out the window. I'm going to take the wipers off, and the way I'm going to do that is by removing these little plastic flaps here. On the inside of this plastic flap there's a little clip in here and over there. So when you want to take it off, just pull it towards you. On this side, just comes off like that. Not my best idea, but it did work. So take the thing off. Voila. That only took 2 seconds, but on the final touches of the car will make the car look mint. That's what we want for the new owner. With some smooth black.
Always bet on black.
Second coat done. They're looking pretty good. I'll come back in an hour or so and I'll do the final coat. it's the following day since the job on the KA was done. The touch-up job on the KA was done. So I've given it time to basically dry and everything like that. Today I'm going to sand it with 2000 grit and I'm going to compound and polish it using a new tool that I've got from a particular brand. So anyway, let's get that done. Let's see what we're using to do the job. So what we got then, boys, Maguire's polish, and there she is, the beauty that I'm going to be using to do this job.